All right. Beer o'clock. Let me go find my beer and find Craig. Hang on. Cheers, folks. All right, let's turn the camera around and go see. Oh, they're doing skids. All right, hang on. So this week.
Oi. He doesn't want to.
I sold this to Cody.
Brand new tyres.
I had it all pulled apart, and he's put it back together in an afternoon.
And taking it driving.
Taken it for a drive, chucked the wheels on it, and now we've got customers everywhere.
You put the other tyres on Saturday.
We're back.
Hi. I'll peel out with the four-wheel drive tyres.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so that's Cody's new toy.
Which is your old toy.
Which was my old toy. Looks good with the wheels.
Yeah.
So now it's gone. But over here,
Yeah, walk this way.
walk this way. What have we got round here?
Well, that Falcon's not ours.
Oh yeah, no, that's not ours, it's Ren's.
That's Ren's. The Jeep's ours.
Yeah, the Jeep. Remember the Jeep?
The, anybody want to buy that kids go-kart body off me? Come and see me.
Yeah.
That used to be ours too.
Craig does a marketplace a lot. And he really shouldn't.
What?
You go on marketplace and buy stuff that you don't really need.
Yeah, I know.
Not that we've ever done that together. We never buy anything like vintage Suzukis and do nothing with them.
Yeah, that's right.
But what have we got?
So we've got this 34 tuner, brand new, never been. They haven't even fitted the fenders, so it's full fender package.
Yep.
Grill, running boards. Where's that go? Is that BK?
Yeah.
34 chassis with a beam front, 4-bar, rear leaf, all done to WA specs, so for WA TAC. It's a Juice Customs body.
So the
West Coast Rock Custom
chassis. Yep. So the Juice Customs body, that means it's all fully steeled out. The doors are open and closing. The gaps are done. Seatbelt mounts are in.
Would you like me to do the
You can open the doors. Someone.
Adriana Xenades? Now
Yeah.
see, the young people wouldn't even know who that was.
No, even I'm not
Look
sure
at
who
that.
that is. But look, apart from there's all the fenders.
Fenders shouldn't be mounted inside, but still.
But you can see all the steel outs done.
Yeah, seatbelt mounts.
Seatbelt mounts.
Yeah.
Floor.
So it's got dash.
Dash.
It's the full fender package, grill shell.
Yeah. Most of the front end's there. I will go through. I reckon I've got the other bits and pieces needed to sort of finish the front end. I think there's a steering box there. So there's a few bits and pieces. And
Yeah, there's a HQ box.
oh, and here, hang on.
Oh, what else have we got? Oh, we got cactuses now. Check out our cactuses. Look at this. Thanks to Tim.
Yeah, Tim.
Mr. Cactus.
Look at these things.
Tim the big prick.
Yeah, he brought us big pricks.
Yeah. Yeah, they look good.
So
And
there's
these
those
ones
ones.
out the front, these look even better.
Yeah, these ones are real good. It's just our shadows that are ruining it. Yeah,
I want to look like a cactus.
Look like
There
a
you
cactus.
Look
There you
like
go.
a cactus. Yeah.
Just exactly like one.
And then, hang on, we've got something else for sale.
Oh, fucking hell, have we? Have we?
Yeah.
Oh, yes,
It's finally running again.
it lives.
Yeah.
The sun's in a really shit position, but so we'll come around this way a bit.
I'll give it a clean up on the weekend and give it a bath and polish.
So you would have seen Craig's famous Mad Max inspired XH Falcon ute. So he's just spent an absolute fortune getting the motor done, getting it all put back
More
in.
than what the car's worth.
Yeah. So he's going to give it a quick polish, give it a detail.
So if you want to buy it, come and see me.
Yeah, come and see us Monday for caffeine and gasoline. Hang on, we'll go back inside now. Right, so also this week, more work on the Coupe ute. What happened this week on the Coupe ute, Craig?
It's all aircon. Aircon's all done. Cody's finished all the interior wiring. Oh, I've got to do a couple of like power points, like there's USB power point there and one back there. I've just got to mount
You
them.
can see there's the
But the wiring's all done for it.
all the wiring sort of done. But yeah, we've had the
Just gotta
aircon.
tidy up a little bit of the hosing and the wiring in the engine bay. But yeah, basically electrics are all done.
Nice cool air conditioning.
Yeah.
I gave it a wash.
Yeah.
It drives, which I think next week we'll be test
Yeah,
driving.
we'll actually be driving it, and then it'll go to trim.
Yeah.
What else? Oh, come and look at my wheels. What have I
Oh,
done?
hang on.
Look at this.
So you remember last week Craig got his Dragula.
Craig bought something off Marketplace.
Yeah,
Which is what Craig does.
that's what Craig does. So not even a surprise. What was a surprise was what it was.
I was surprised.
Look at those.
Nice.
Fancy.
Yeah. Did you? Can you zoom in over there and see
Oh,
all the
hang
other
on.
goodies that I've got?
Yeah, he's got other stuff, but it's all buried in there. So this might be a. Hang on.
But I'll drag it out for Monday,
For Monday, there's
and we'll do a
Grandpa.
mock-up.
Yeah. Yeah, why not?
Yeah, we'll do a mock-up. You know. So.
All right,
Okay.
that's it. See ya.